Speak Indian to your elder brother. That is one of the very vital steps to sewing a beautiful dress. You could start by drawing a design if you want to be a weirdo, or you could go and sleep in a very disorganized bed. But the most important thing is to have a pattern down that you would use to cut the clothes. So to cut this outfit, I'm going to be placing my pattern in the center of whatever. Then I'm going to consider sleeping. I think I already explained this before, but if you don't understand, I'm going to mark out the center of this fabric so that the center is exactly at the center of the cloth. This makes it more beautiful. You can fold the fabric into two to make it asymmetrical. Asymmetrical is a smart sounding word I heard from my smart friends. So yeah, you see exactly what I was talking about. But the next step is the hardest. You have to argue with your siblings about why you cut in the night.
I have a question. Why do you always say that? Because of the
said it.
Why don't you cut in the morning?
I cut it in the morning.
She always cuts.
I cut it. I cut this
Why
one.
don't you wake up early and start
I cut
watching
this in the morning. I cut this one in the morning.
Next step is to defend yourself.
Yeah. Then I just transfer.
So I just added about 1 inch. I just added about 1 inch allowance for the zip. There you go. Next, I just fold my fabric into a triangular form, then figure out which place would be best to cut it out. I measure my waist and divide it into about 4 because that's about how many I'm folding the fabric into, and then I mark out the length from that very point of the fabric. This is how it's going to look like once you've cut it out, and I would have really explained this video much better if only I had more time to read for my upcoming exams. Step, take a break and eat some nice African food. If you want to be a weirdo, you can iron out the lining onto the piece of fabric. Then according to your pattern, you have to cut that out. Then make a terrible mistake that will make you have to lose the entire piece of fabric because you cut both sides in a different way. Now cut the flay into slits and then start sewing your piece of fabric so that you can have a beautiful dress to show off to your friends and family. Next step is to write a hit song while sewing. Actually hand sew the zip onto the piece of fabric before using sewing machine, so it was really neat. And then all I had to do was loosen the needle and thread after sewing it with the machine. Time for the big reveal.